women needed the room scary story. The room smelled of dust and old perfume. I woke to the sound of breathing, soft, patient, not my own. Moonlight spilled across the floor, revealing women standing shoulder to shoulder along the walls. They wore identical dresses, grey and stained, their faces blurred like smudged ink. I tried to move, but my body refused. One woman stepped forward. Her eyes were wrong, too wide, too knowing. She smiled as if she recognized me. "You're finally awake," she whispered. The others tilted their heads in perfect unison. I realized then they weren't watching me. They were waiting for one of them to leave. Hands brushed my skin, cold and curious. The woman closest leaned down, her face inches from mine. Her mouth opened wider than it should have, and her voice slid into my ears. "We need a room," she said softly, "and now we have yours." The lights went out. When they came back on, I was standing against the wall, smiling,